Okay, hello there my fellow YouTubers, this is Undead504, and if you're watching this video, then that means that I uploaded it to YouTube. Duh. But anywho, what this video is it's not a gameplay or anything like that, not a review, but I created a program. I had this nasty bug. First let's start off with that. I had a nasty virus on my computer, and it got rid of a bunch of my stuff not too long ago. Well, I managed to get rid of the virus itself. It actually wasn't that hard. But it opened me up to get this other virus, which does nothing to my computer except for bugging me with AVG warnings, because AVG takes care of what it actually does and allows it not to do anything. So what I decided, but the bug itself stayed there. I couldn't delete it. I tried AVG shred. I tried uninstalling it with the Uninstaller Pro. Nothing worked. And it irritated me that there was nothing I could do. And then I found out that it's because on startup it starts itself up and you got to be able to freaking close it out. Well, for those of you who don't know which program to stop, because if you stop any process for money, you could ultimately I won't say damage your computer, but you make it restart. You could ultimately do harm to your computer, and that's not good. That's not good. So what I like to do is I like to take these not so simple tasks, which really isn't that hard to begin with, but I like to make it even easier for you. That's what I do. And basically what this program does is that it puts itself on startup, and you pick the folder when you first open it. Let's just roll it open. Let's go open. Click on first document checker. Drag this over here. Okay, we'll do that right there. Visual Basics 2010. Projects, startup, delete app. Go here, bin, debug.
Oh crap! Minimizing.
Okay, and this is what it does. Basically, you click Find Application, and you click on the application, exe or all files. And I did that because viruses come in all types of freaking, they're not all just exes. I've seen viruses inside of movies. I've seen viruses inside of MP3s, WAVs, WAV files and stuff. So a virus can come in all kind of ways. So that's why I added the all. But mine was an exe, so I freaking went ahead and just added the exe in there. And you find the program, and it will pop up right here. So like, we're going to here. I'm gonna open this up. Extract my face after picture from it. Okay, we're gonna open it up again. I don't want to do it. Anyway, let's go here. Go to documents. Go down back to the program. Projects. Where is it? Startup, delete app. Go to bin, debug. And we're going to copy the actual exe. Copy that. And we'll paste it here in this test folder. And we're going to rename it DLETE. Okay. Delete. Okay. And that's what it's called. Or, no, actually we'll rename it. Cannot. Darn it. Cannot remove. Okay. So, .exe. And I had an application. It would not let me. I'd right click on it and I'd go to delete, and it would not work. I would go to AVG shred, permanently shred with AVG. Still wouldn't work. So what you'll do is you'll click find the application, which will go to desktop, test, cannot remove. Okay. And there it is right there. Test desktop, test folder, cannot remove.exe. And some applications or whatever will not let you open them within the program, and this is how you fix that problem. New test document, we're going to call it test. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll go to all files, and there it says test.txt. You'll right click on the actual virus itself, rename it, copy, and if it won't let you rename it, go to properties and just copy that right there, remove.exe, cannot remove.exe, and then go here and paste it, hit the done button, exit the application, and restart your computer. Now, I do recommend that you have virus protection for this, and I am not responsible. I am not responsible for anything that you delete. If you mess around and delete a Windows application file and you just screwed the pooch on your computer, I'm not responsible. My point is, make sure you know what you're deleting before you delete it. Make sure that it is a virus, and make sure it's not something important. So do some research, and I do realize though that there are a lot of viruses out there that freaking get sucked into an application that you need. So every time you need to run it, like your Explorer, as an example, your Explorer, which is your desktop, your icons, your little task manager right here, task manager for taskbar, that's your Explorer, and Windows, like this.
Minimizing. Making it full screen.
And, I do understand they can implement themselves in there. So your best bet is you can do a Google search and find one, but be careful. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to run the application. We'll go to documents. I don't know why I keep closing this out. Let me just leave it open. Projects. Boom, boom. And bug. Now we're going to run the application. Basically, the application starts up automatically with your computer, so you won't have to open it back up again. But I'm just doing that because while recording, I can't restart my computer for obvious reasons.
Oh, crap! It's back.
And you saw it deleted the application, and it put it in the recycling bin, which I honestly don't know where my recycling bin is at the moment. Oh, it's right there. My fourth monitor. Then we'll go to open. Then you should see a do not remove.exe. Well, I'm not seeing it. I don't know why it's just showing up the recycling bin. It may have permanently removed it. But that freaking just goes to prove my point. Make sure that you know exactly what you're deleting and Google it 1,000 times over. Most people these days have a cell phone, a smartphone for a cell phone, and you can go on the internet and look it up there. If you're not like me that has multiple computers. Anyway, that's it. The only other thing I'm going to add to this application, I'm going to give it a name. Of course, it ain't going to be Form 1. I'm going to change the icon. And before you open it up, a message box is going to pop up telling you basically what I just said about making sure you know what you delete. And anything that you delete is solely your responsibility. That I'm not held liable for anything, for any misuse of the program. And it makes you click yes. And you only have to click yes once. So I'm gonna do that. And pretty much that's it. So when you click I understand, you can open the program and this is what you'll see. If you click I don't understand or no, then you just won't open it. I mean, that's all the time I have. I hope you enjoy this application. Please give me a thumbs up. You can also give me a thumbs down. You can always subscribe. That'd be nice. The fact that you're still with me is ridiculously awesome. If you just watched it for a second, oh, that's a program, and just click the download button. Like I said, I'm still going to put the disclaimer up, so you just downloaded it. That's going to be awesome. I believe I'm going to go with a MediaFire link, but I've been hearing a lot of good things about Mega. So I might try that out. Might go up and sign up for that and try it out. I heard they offer a lot more space. So I might give that a shot. And if not, there will be a MediaFire link. Heck, I might even put 2 because MediaFire is kind of easy to use. I like that. So I might go 1 mega, 1 MediaFire because some people actually have a pro subscription to either or, and it says if you're pro paying for the service, then you can download faster. I don't necessarily believe that. But anyway, like I said, that's all the time I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions on the application, or if you have any suggestions with my intro or on how I should do things, I'm all ears. You know, I'm open to suggestions. And that's pretty much it. I guess I'll see you in the next video, and be easy, and it's all gravy.